Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Friday, April 27th, and we're going to take a look here at crude oil and kind of a little bit about what we're looking for with this market going forward, going into next week. So the main thing we're watching is this descending wedge that we have on the 240-minute price chart. This is going to dictate where the bigger move should take place, whether we're going to move up or down. So what we're watching is we have pretty well-defined support down here at 67.11, 67.10. Or we've pivoted off of it two different times, and then we have two pivot highs up here that we're drawing a trend line connecting. So that's going to put resistance up around 69.20. So what we're going to watch for is a break through that support or resistance. Now, once it breaks, we want to also make sure that our momentum is in our favor, which right now momentum is kind of neutral to bearish. If we're going to break higher, we want to see momentum have shifted back to bullish. If it's going to break lower, we want to make sure that that stays or turns even more bearish than it is. So make sure you confirm the breakout with momentum, and then we should also want to see a pretty quick acceleration once it finally does break out. Now, if we break out to the upside, the other thing you want to be aware of is the trend line's at about 69.20, but we also have a pivot high at 69.38 and then another pivot high up at 69.55 that will also act as resistance. So make sure you're watching if and when it does break to the upside, how does it react when it gets up to those pivot highs? Because if it hits them and pulls back, it might be worth just closing the trade and wait until we break through the pivot highs. But that's going to be about it for today. Hope everyone has a great weekend. And until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy trading, everybody.